Don't buy the DJI Mic 2 transmitter only. All the big influencers like Mr. Who's the Boss and MKBHD are using them though. So what seems to be my problem? Well, first of all, I'm not saying this is a bad microphone. This is actually one of the best microphones out there. I actually use it right now, as you can probably see. It all started when I needed a microphone for outside recording that would be easy to carry, to charge, no wires, and other cool features. I saw all the big YouTubers using the DJI Mic 2, and then I started watching a lot of reviews and checking out how it works and all the features. The thing is, the DJI Mic 2 is quite expensive, especially for a small creator like me. At the moment, the full pack is £309 in UK. Looking at the features, I saw that you can connect the DJI Mic 2 transmitter via Bluetooth with your phone. I'm doing the videos with the phone, so I was like, yes, I can save myself some money. I can just get the transmitter for £89. I bought it and connected it to my phone only to see that it has very low volume when recording. I use Filmic Pro to record the videos because I have a lot of settings that I can change. I can also change the sound gain. So with the gain from the app almost to max, I was still getting a low volume. So I looked online for what the problem could be. I found out that the transmitter has settings as well, and by default doesn't have any gain, and it also has activated something called low cut filter. The low cut filter on the DJI Mic 2 transmitter helps get rid of the deep, low sounds like wind or background noise that can make your recording sound messy. It focuses on keeping voices and important sounds clear by cutting the low, rumbling noise that aren't needed, but it also makes the sound a bit lower in volume. I then looked online for a solution, an app maybe, or something that I can change the settings from the transmitter, only to find out that I can't. I can only change the settings if I have the receiver as well. If you have the receiver, besides more settings, you can also add gain on the transmitter, on the receiver, and also on the app. Now I was limited only to the app. I could only add gain on the app. I also found some videos that showed how you can add more gain when you're editing, but still it shouldn't work like that. And also if you record with a lower volume and add gain and tweak the settings in editing, you might boost other sounds that you don't want. Simply said, it's not ideal. I have also tried connecting it with the receiver and changing the settings to see if they remain saved in the transmitter, and it will add gain. I found out that if they are connected back to the receiver, the settings will remain saved. But if I connect them with the phone again, nothing changes. So probably the settings remain saved on the receiver. So basically, if I only have the transmitter, I can only add gain from the app. Yes, the DJI Mic 2 is one of the best microphones, but you also need the receiver for it. You can also get one receiver and one transmitter, which will be a bit cheaper at £189. But I was thinking I might as well get the whole package. So the whole package has 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, the charging case, a lightning and USB-C adapter for the phone, 2 magnet clips, 2 wind fluffies, 1 charging cable, a 3.5mm TRS audio cable, and also a carrying bag. This thing comes off as well from the receiver, so you can add the adapters. At the moment, buy the transmitter if you lost one of them, or if you need another one from the packages with the receiver. Or it will also work with other DJI products like the DJI Osmo 3. If you just want to connect it to your phone via Bluetooth, don't get one. I hope in the future they will release an app or a file to upload or something similar for changing the settings. Probably that's not something we'll see, since I think the settings are saved on the receiver, but hopefully in the DJI Mic 3 then. If you want to check out the whole DJI Mic 2 package, unbox and review, check this video right here.